SSD upgrade on Lenovo IdeaPad 320S-14IKB laptop. Thank you, Sir Vaughn, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Lenovo IdeaPad 320S-14IKB laptop underwent an SSD upgrade procedure, where the existing storage was replaced with a Hiksemi NVMe M.2 256GB SSD to significantly improve system performance, boot speed, and overall responsiveness. The upgrade aimed to enhance both the read and write speeds of the laptop, allowing smoother multitasking and faster data access compared to the original hard drive. The process began with the safe disassembly of the laptop to access the internal storage slot. Proper care was taken to handle sensitive components, ensuring no damage to the motherboard or connectors. Once the old drive was carefully removed, the Hiksemi NVMe M.2 SSD was securely installed into the M.2 slot, ensuring proper alignment and connection. After installation, the system BIOS was accessed to confirm that the new SSD was properly recognized by the laptop. SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.